Go over to your browser on your phone and type into the search bar studio.youtube.com. Then it will open up this interface. It says try out YouTube Studio app. Get the app. Don't click on get the app, go to continue to studio. We'll check that now and it will lead us into the studio interface. This is what the YouTube Studio interface looks like on the web. We'll click on the content tab on your left and it will open the content interface. All the things on the left are what will guide you into what you want to do. You can zoom into your screen by spreading your two fingers across the screen and pinch it in back to see what you're doing. So if you look now, you will see the video, the shorts, the live, the playlist, the podcast, and the promotions tab. So we'll go over to the playlist tab so you can see. It says here, create your playlist, then add existing content or upload new video. Then let's click on new playlist. You will see the title of the playlist, the description, and the visibility. So you can type what you want to type to be your title of your playlist. You can pinch down your screen back in to see what you're typing. You can set your visibility to public, private, or unlisted. We will set it to private and we will hit on create. It has created a playlist right now. Let's go back to the video tab and see how to add a video into this playlist and also how to create another playlist. Let's click the first video we saw and you will see title, description, thumbnail, and the next one you see is playlist. If you click it, you see that the new playlist we created has shown up on here, or you can create another playlist if you want to. By clicking on new playlist, you can choose to create new playlist or new podcast. Let's create another playlist. We'll type in what we want it to be and set the visibility as public, and we would hit on create. So you see it automatically chose the playlist we created to add the video to it. You can choose to uncheck that and check a new one, or you can choose to add the two. Let's add the two and let's shrink down our screen and click on save. Now let's go back to the playlist tab to go see the videos, whether it showed up at the playlist we created. We'll click on playlist. If you see now, you see that each of the playlists has one video in it which we've added to it.